Hi guys! Good morning! This is Edmonton, Alberta at tayo ay going to the airport for today's video at nakasakay tayo sa Uber. Tayo nga ay magwi-winter escape muna dito sa malamig na lugar ng Edmonton, Alberta at gusto namin guys na samahan nyo kami sa ating trip for today. So saan kaya tayo pupunta para mag-escape ng ating winter? Napakatagal ng winter. It's February na pero malamig pa rin at may snow pa din at kailangan muna natin konting painit guys. Vacation mode is on. Perfect talaga tong caption nila. Talagang feel natin ng vacation sa kalagitnaan ng malamig na panahon dito sa Alberta, Canada. At syempre, yung mga kids namin, naiwan sila pero we are continuously monitoring them. Meron kaming installed CCTV camera sa bahay namin. So, anytime ay makakausap namin sila at we also ask some help sa aming family and friends na follow up sa kanila every now and then. Pero most of the time talaga ay kausap naman namin at nakikita namin sila. Ito na tayo guys. Palipad na tayo at saan kaya tayo pupunta? Samahan nyo kami guys. Welcome to Houston, Texas.
Oh, here it is. You want to use my earbuds?
Now we are finished boarding. We do need all customers in their seats. Please ensure seatbelts are fastened. Seat belts and tray tables are upright. If you are using a large
Wala silang ganon. Sila. Cristo Pem.
Christopher Pino. Yes. Finally.
Hey.
Nice. How are you, sir? Good. How are you? Very well, very well.
Here. So guys, naka-slow motion pala tong camera na to. Anyway, so this is the Luxury Avenue or the strip na mahabang island papunta dun sa hotel namin. At ang ganda ng mga views dito, iba-iba ang daming hotels, ang daming pwedeng puntahan. At bago tayo makarating sa aming hotel. So here we go.
The next day.
Good morning guys! Welcome to Jill in Cannes. Yes, as you can see, we have a different view. Medyo tropical itong dating na to. Ang ating mga coconut trees, palm trees. Ayan, so nasaan ba tayo guys? Medyo iba ang ating view at ating background for today's video dahil tingnan natin to guys. Ayan, look at this view. Wow! Oh, ganda. So, ito nga pala yung ating balcony for today. Facing that view. May playground, may swimming pool, at mahangin for today ang panahon. At naantay ko lang si Chris na matapos sa kanyang pag-prepare. And then we can go for our breakfast today. So, ngayon nga ay tayo ay nasa Cancun, Mexico. Kahapon kami dumating, guys. So, kahapon is February 23rd at alam naman natin na ano ba yung nangyari noong February 22 na balitang-balita sa buong mundo. Yung dito muna natin pag-usapan yan, guys. Na balitang-balita na sa buong mundo yung nangyayari dito sa Mexico, which is the violent attack nung mga cartel, no? So,
Mexico is at war tonight. The drug cartels taking on the Mexican federal government and threatening to kill anyone who gets in their way.
It started with the killing of a cartel boss and quickly erupted into gun battles across much of the country and leading the U.S. to put out a do not travel advisory on most of the country.
This is a look at the travel advisories map from the U.S. Department of State. Today's chaos and violence in Mexico just adding more restrictions as Americans who are already there are being warned to shelter in place. Of violence erupting in Mexico after a military operation led to the death of a cartel leader. Now parts of the country under attack as flights are canceled, streets are closed, and tourists told to shelter in place.
actually, kinabahan din kami paano yung pagpunta namin dito. Actually, ako lang naman. So, yun nga, at marami nga nagtatanong, especially those people who knows that we are coming here at it's very close kasi syempre nabook mo na yung event na atong place na ito and everything. Tapos nangyari yun the day before ng flight nyo. And then syempre you have to check the news, check kung saan yung location, and then so Cancun is medyo malayo naman siya from kung saan yung mga nangyayari ngayon. And then kaya kami ay nandito ngayon at yung Puerto Vallarta and the Guadalajara. So parang naisip namin na parang ano siya, from like Manila to Mindanao yung mga situation, no? So kung may nangyayari sa Manila or nangyayari sa Mindanao ay magkalayo naman sila, yan. So but still we are praying and na everything will be safe and okay. So for today, at since we arrived ay talagang tahimik naman dito, very peaceful, and parang wala namang situation na nangyayari doon sa other side or the other areas dito. Ayan, so kaya let's have fun and relax tayo dito for today. At ngayon nga, ano nga bang ayun, so it is our first time here in Mexico. Dahil nga, ito nga yung ating winter escape. So, alam nyo ba na ang Mexico talagang, it's one of the favorite spots in the world na talagang madalas ay talagang pinupuntahan ng mga galing sa Canada. So, ang dami-daming nagpupunta dito from Canada. At especially sa aming center, doon sa center namin, no, sa mga bata. Yung mga bata, especially January, February, ganyan, wala sila, maraming wala. Like 1 week or 2 weeks na absent sila dahil nga nagve-vacation sila. Mostly, nagpupunta dito in Mexico. Kasi parang feeling ko, nung nalaman ko na parang, ba't ang daming nagpupunta ng Mexico? Feeling ko dahil nga winter sa Canada, at ang tagal kasi ng winter, 'di ba? So parang nakakainip. So parang ito yung best winter escape. Tapos ito yung medyo ano lang. Parang feeling ko ito yung Boracay of Canada na anytime they can just fly and come here dito sa Canada and enjoy the weather. Kasi nga naman kung medyo matagal yung winter na yan, alam nyo yun, kailangan naman ng mga buto-buto natin na mainit-initan din. Ayan. So, for today nga, guys, hindi naman siya ganun kainit. It's going to be a little bit sunny lang, pero more cloudy days ahead. I mean, more cloudy ang araw na ito. And then, Ayan, so more cloudy ang araw na ito. And tomorrow, it will be sunny. Or Thursday. But, buti naman ay wala namang ulan. So, yung ulan will be on Friday. So, it will be a short trip for us kasi weekday lang talaga kami. At, weekday lang talaga kami dito kasi mura yung ticket, guys. So, meron lang kaming meron lang kaming sponsor sa ticket namin ng airfare. Yan, so, ang swerte kasi yung husband ko, nanalo siya ng nung Christmas party nila, may airfare ticket na gift. So, nanalo siya doon. Kaya, ayun, ginamit namin dito. At, ayun, tapos and then kami na lang dito sa mga accommodation and all. So ito naman yung nakita namin and since this is our first time, so okay naman tong napuntahan namin. Although ito ngang hotel na ito is a 3-star hotel and inclusive na yung all the meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So only naman yung mga meals and drinks nila dito. Ayun. So and then you can also go to other hotels na kasama dito sa package na ito. So, pwede ka rin kumain doon and use their amenities. Ayun. So, ayan. At ang ganda ng hangin. Maya-maya ay pupunta tayo dyan, guys, para makita natin ano yung feel, ano yung vibe, diba? So, hindi ko pa nakikita yung beach doon. So, pupuntahan din natin yan mamaya, guys. So, ayan. Okay. So, see you later. Wow, sunny weather. Ayan, so galing kami sa loob, ano yun tawag doon? Parang intro lang naman. Hindi pa naman sales yun, di ba? Kasi may part of the sales presentation. So ito pala guys yung aming hotel. The view of our hotel. Together with my love. Ayan, so ngayon, dito tayo pupunta. Titignan natin ano yung... Ay, hindi pa pala kami nagbe-breakfast. Saan ba yung breakfast? So, pupunta tayo muna sa breakfast. So, kagabi, dumating kami, mga 6 p.m. Tapos, nag-dinner kami, Mexican dinner doon sa restaurant sa loob. Dito naman is yung breakfast. So, tignan natin. Yung dinner is more Mexican and dito may mga Asian, Korean, so depende. Parang doon yung entrance nila. So, this is our buffet breakfast. Mostly may mga nachos, tortillas, at more on Mexican food pa rin naman. Although yan, meron tayong mga fruits, at meron mga hot choco, hot oatmeal, breads, cookies, cupcakes for kids. Tapos ito ang cold cuts area at meron din yan. Ito na nga pala ang aking breakfast meal. At si my love, yan naman sa kanya ang kanyang first plate. So we are looking outside the view at napakaganda guys. Ang sarap kumain. At ito yung try natin tong egg omelette na merong mga laman.
Ay, ito may togi
At talaga nakakabusog ang breakfast na to guys. Sulit naman kasi all inclusive ang meals.
Sarap.
May music na dito guys. So, relaxing time. May live music. Yan. So, tapos na yung ating breakfast at magla-lunch time na guys. So, tumingin-tingin muna tayo dito sa ating paligid. Ang ganda ng view. Look. So, okay naman yung breakfast natin kanina at meron pa nga couple na nag-picture sa amin kanina, nag-volunteer. So anyway, sit down muna tayo dito sa ating balcony and let's talk about something na paano ba kami nakapunta sa Mexico bilang ang passport namin ay Philippine passport pa at kami ay under ng PGWP. So kung kayo ay naka-PGWP or international students in Canada, so pwede rin kayong magpunta dito sa Mexico if yung for some vacation, ganyan. And just like in any case na pupunta ka outside Canada or in any other country, kailangan pa rin natin mag-apply for a visa. So in our case, as you can see dun sa aming previous clips, no, na we passed by Houston. So dumaan kami ng US borders, dumaan kami ng US, and ang requirement doon is kailangan meron kayong US visa. So meron kaming US visa even before coming to Canada at luckily naman hindi pa siya expired kaya nagamit namin siya. But not most of the time you need to pass by US to come to Mexico. So dahil syempre mas mura lang din kapag may mga layover yung flight nyo. At tsaka dahil meron din naman kaming US visa, so kaya ginamit na rin namin yon. At hindi mo na kailangang, kung meron naman kayo makukuha na direct flight from Canada to Mexico, that is also good. You don't need to have a US visa. At ang kailangan nyo naman ay kumuha kayo ng visa for Mexico. So kami naman, dahil we have the US visa, hindi na kami kailangan kumuha ng visa from Mexico. So yun lang yun. So it's also an advantage then if you have US visa. So yun yung rule doon na hindi ka na kailangan kumuha ng visa papuntang Mexico kasi meron ka ng US visa. Ayun. So nakakatuwa din, pero although it was a short lang yung layover namin doon sa US, no, Houston. Hindi pa kami actually nakakapunta doon, kaya picture lang tayo doon. At ayun ka. So overall guys, dito so far dito sa aming place in Cancun, it's safe at hindi siya kasama doon sa mga kaguluhan doon sa Guadalajara and Puerto Vallarta. Yan. So this is a good place para mag-vacation if you want. At ayun, and comment down below if you're interested to find out about this spot na kung saan kami ay nandito ngayon. At kung meron kayong mga comments and suggestions, please don't forget to like and share this video. Comment down below guys kung meron kayong mga topics of interest, especially sa ating buhay Canada na ngayon nga ay nag-winter escape tayo. Yan. Look. So I think guys, we are ready to go in a few minutes. At guys, meron akong magandang balita. That will be in my next vlog, so watch out for that. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.